Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have two job updates from Futures First and let's see it one by one. The first job update is Market Analyst Trainee and the job location is Hyderabad. Now let's see the requirements. The educational qualification requirements are you should have a strong academic and you should be a degree educated or equivalent. And the preferable education streams are commerce, finance, economics, mathematics, statistics, and engineering. The work experience is not required. In case of experienced candidate, good understanding and experience in futures market and proven track record is essential. Now, let's see the skill set. You should numerate and great at math. You should be a quick thinker, especially under high pressure. You should be competitive, sharp, and with deep intelligence, hardworking, passionate, and driven to succeed. You should perform even better under pressure and retain the capacity for dispassionate learning in real time. You should demonstrate the strength of characters like integrity, initiative, judgment, commitment, emotional, stability, persistent, and resilience. The recruitment drive is only for the candidates who have passed out in 2024 or before. The date of joining will be July 2024 and the joining mode will be offline. Candidates who have taken the recruitment process in any branch of Futures First India within the last 1 year are not eligible to apply. Now, let's see the second job update. The second job is Financial Market Analyst and the job location is Jaipur. The education qualification, work experience, and skill sets are same as the market analyst trainee role. The recruitment drive is only for candidates who have passed or passing out in June 2024 or before, and the date of joining is July 2024. The job location is Jaipur, Rajasthan. Now, let's see about the average salary for these roles. The financial market analyst role with 0 to 2 years of experience will get the annual salary of 12 LPA, which is a average salary. And the market analyst trainee will get 10.9 lakhs per annum, and this is also a average annual salary. We have given the apply link in the description, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.